Hello, kids, Rainbow. Today, we're exploring the colors chart. A colors chart is a special chart that shows us different colors and helps us learn their names. It's like a rainbow on a piece of paper. Let's keep exploring colors and make the world brighter together. Primary colors. These are the main colors that help make all other colors. Red. R.E.D. red. Blue. B.L.U.E. blue. Yellow. Y.E.L.L.O.W. yellow. Secondary colors. When you mix two primary colors, you get secondary colors. Green. G.R.E.E.N green. Orange. O.R.A.N.G.E orange. Purple. P.U.R.P.L.E purple. Other fun colors. Pink. P.I.N.K pink. Brown. B.R.O.W.N brown. Black. B.L.A.C.K black. White. W.H.I.T.E white. Gray. G.R.E.E.Y gray. Colors make the world bright and fun, and they're everywhere in nature, toys, clothes, and even the food we eat. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.